What if I told you that a smartphone priced at just $241 is taking on Apple and Samsung head-on? Sounds crazy, right? Well, Motorola just launched the Edge60 Fusion, and trust me, this phone is packing features that even premium flagship devices struggle to offer. From an insane 144Hz AMOLED display to a massive 6,000 mAh battery, this device is redefining what budget smartphones can do. So let's break it all down and see if this is the next flagship killer. First up, let's talk about the display. The Edge60 Fusion comes with a 6.7-inch 3D curved AMOLED display that looks absolutely stunning. And here's the real kicker, 144Hz refresh rate. That's smoother than what you get on most high-end iPhones. It's got HDR support, so whether you're gaming or watching movies, the colors are going to pop. IP68 water resistance means it can survive accidental splashes or even a quick dunk in water. Not something you usually see in this price range. Now, performance is where things get interesting. The phone runs on Android 15 right out of the box, meaning you get the latest software experience. And with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, it's got enough power for smooth multitasking in gaming. The in-display fingerprint sensor adds to the premium feel, making unlocking the device super seamless. If you love clicking photos, Motorola has got you covered. The Edge60 Fusion packs a 50-megapixel primary sensor that delivers sharp, vibrant, and stunning images. For all the selfie lovers out there, this phone comes with a powerful 32-megapixel front camera, giving you crystal-clear selfies and high-quality video calls. And guess what? Motorola's camera software is optimized for AI-enhanced photography, night mode, and portrait shots. Your photos will look better than ever. But wait, what's the use of all these amazing features if the battery doesn't last? Well, Motorola has gone all out. This beast is packed with a massive 6,000 mAh battery. This means you get at least 2 days of battery life on normal usage. Even if you're a heavy gamer, this phone won't give up on you easily. And for all the music and movie lovers, Motorola brings you dual speakers with Dolby sound. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, the sound experience is going to be next level. So, is the Motorola Edge60 Fusion the best budget flagship out there? For just $241, you're getting a premium 3D curved AMOLED display, a flagship-level camera, an insane battery life, and even IP68 water resistance. Honestly, this could be one of the best value smartphones of the year. Would you choose this over an iPhone or Samsung device? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech content.